So, another package came from Amazon. Yoki, up here.
No.
Why not?
I don't want him doing that.
Okay, fine. So we got another package from Amazon. I like the delivery guy, kind of cool. I like Casey's nice day and his delivery guy. Like he just like, oh yeah, did you order this from the same place at the same time? Because like you're trying to make some small talk. I'm like, I like you a lot. All right, I don't know what I ordered.
Unboxing.
Hell yeah, so.
Oh, the lights.
Oh, this is it. And then last, now we got to it, are these little LED panels that come with gels. So these are going to be for lighting for, I guess for most... Streaming or lighting for a podcast or anything that, you know, so it's more lights. So we can play with more lights now. And it has changeable settings. I think these were $99. I was going to get these for $56, but they went up in price as soon as I bought them, so.
So with these colored gel things here, we can do those photos. I don't know if you guys have seen them. I'll try to put one on the screen of like, they take one picture with red lighting, one picture with blue, and then they merge them together so they look like 3D.
Oh shit, okay.
It looks so cool.
We can do that. There's more. Okay. It actually comes with tripods. Check this out.
That's sick.
I thought we were gonna get another order, and I was like, that's the main one. Like, you're probably gonna come back today, you pick it up. It actually all fits. All that fits in the box. $100 for lighting. Would love to see what the lighting looks like. So I've got this from upstairs. It's just a power bank. Hopefully, it should just plug like 5 volts. So I think it should plug right in and see if it works. Okay. Hey, sister. This is a cool, like, if this works, this is a really cool, like, portable setup. Yeah. Honestly. Okay. Boom.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. So Neewer's like plastic stuff is kind of somewhat questionable usually, like due to the tripod and stuff. So you can actually install these on, like the lights are pretty good, and you can actually probably install them on a proper tripod. But the ones that are provided aren't that bad. But what you can do is you can actually just put the tripod and ball head on there. Obviously screw it in, and then once you want it, you just bada bing bada boom. Basically, press the little button on, and it's on. You can turn this down by 10%, or you can hold it down and it goes down to, I think, 10% of the 1,000 lumens. And then you can obviously turn it up and it turns up. What Migs and I have realized is using something like a power bank, e.g. this Anchor. I'll put an affiliate link below, so if you want to buy these, I highly recommend it. These battery brand Anchor is really good. I love this one. It takes a while to charge, but it is amazing. I mean, you can last this for a week for your phones and other stuff. And you know, when you're doing like portable shoots or shoots in your kitchen or anything like that, you can use this. You don't have to even plug it into the wall, so it's very portable, which is very nice. So let's see how it goes looking setup. I'm back in my room. I've just set up the lights and it looked pretty good. I'm also streaming on the webcam, and this is just kind of, it's kind of like a, I guess you can kind of say it's a good way to demonstrate that you don't necessarily need an expensive camera as long as you have lighting. Now you're probably wondering, oh, it's lights, it's going to be, it's going to cost a lot of energy, or your parents are going to say it's cost a lot of energy, but the output power is 10 watts per light, and you're probably not going to have it on at all times. This is important because without the same camera with the same settings and everything else, all the automatic settings, the quality of the output looks much worse. So you can make a huge difference. You don't need to spend $1,000 on a camera. I've never actually had a proper like box lights in front of my camera, and it makes a huge difference. It's just kind of, first of all, I want to get another set, so Megs and I are going to have it for her studio and also for the podcast. And also I'm kind of annoyed at myself for not doing it earlier. Super easy to set up. Like I said before, all you need is a 5-volt adapter. I'm using a 5-volt a dual 5-volt adapter from Belkin, just so I can plug it into a PowerPoint as opposed to using my USBs. Otherwise you can use like a USB hub or something and plug it into the back of your computer and just plug it on. So pretty cool. And yeah, it's for $100 and it's $100 for lights, for LED lights. I don't know what can go wrong, but let's touch wood and hope nothing can go wrong, and I'll see how long this lasts. And it's probably a really great idea for a budget mobile, potentially mobile lighting solution. But if you like this sort of video, let me know and I'll do more of them in the future. Alright guys, a little bit of an update. I was about to finish editing the video and I was recording the green screen, finishing off recording the green screen video, and the cheapest part of the legs actually broke. I do want to message Neewer and say, hey, these broke, but I mean, they were the cheapest part, and I don't know, maybe I'll write a review. But essentially what happened was the cheapest part, the legs of like the tripod part of the monopod, it's made out of very cheap plastic, and essentially they were a bit loose. What's happening is the legs were flattening and it wouldn't stand up straight, so obviously me doing me, I pulled it on a bit and it snapped. It's fine, but you know, kind of annoying, but I expected this out of the cheapest part of this product. The other one's fine, it was just this one. But it's no real loss, like tripods are cheap, and I did expect that. It was, you know, so much value bundled into such a small thing. The lamps are great. The monopod I'm not too sure about. I've seen those monopods before for selfie sticks, and they have broken in the past, so I'm expecting those to go next. But if anything happens to the electronics, I think I'll just speak to Neewer